Butter baby, are you coming? Hey, I take your girl. Hey, I make your mind. Hey, I fuck your girl. Butter baby, are you coming? Hey, are you coming? Butter baby, are you coming? Hey, are you coming? Butter baby, are you coming? Hey, are you coming? Butter baby, are you coming? Are you coming? Butter baby, are you coming? Hey, are you coming?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Lolo. If you didn't know, now you know. So today I am going to be doing a sort of tutorial on how I make my closures look like mini frontals, and I'm not going to be showing the whole process of how I bleach and how I plug. I'm just going to be showing how I install and how I straighten my hair basically. So I hope you enjoy, I hope you learn something, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video.
So the first thing you want to do is make sure your hair is flat under your wig, and right now I'm wearing a wig cap. It does help that if the wig cap is close to your complexion, but clearly that one isn't, but that's okay. And then obviously you want to put your wig on just to try it out. And I like to freestyle my wig, kind of, just to get flat at the top. So when I do the installation, it's a bit flat. So here I am using the black Klassybabe glue, the black one, just as my choice of gel for this video. Normally I don't use gel or anything for my closure wigs, I just don't use anything, or just put the closure wig on. And you like to apply a thin layer and let that get tacky, and then you basically put your wig on top. Make sure the wig is where you want it to stay, and then put your scarf on top. Don't just put the wig wherever and then put the scarf on top, because if you do that, the wig is not going to move, it's not going to budge. Like, that's it, unless you want to start the whole process all over again. But yeah. As you can see here, I'm just straightening my hair. It's pretty self-explanatory, to be fair. I just use that comb tool thingy just to guide me. I find it easier to straighten my hair that way sometimes. So here I'm just going to take off the scarf, as you can see, and I'm just going to make sure it's flat again. I don't have my hot comb on me, it's back home, so I'm just using that basically. So you just want to make sure it's flat, and then when you're cutting the lace, make sure you cut in a zigzag line and not straight. It looks way better zigzag than if you cut straight, because it doesn't look right, it doesn't look this nice. Your hairline is not a straight line, but at the same time, it's a wig, bro, like, you know. But just make sure you cut in a zigzag line. So back in with the powder I used earlier, I'm just gonna just put that all over like the hairline. Where I cut it, and then I'm gonna get a few hairs, just a few. I don't want like excess baby hairs, and then I'm just gonna clip it so it doesn't go back. And then I'm just gonna get a pair of scissors, and then I'm just gonna cut just like an inch, and then I'm gonna get the Klassybabe gel again, and then I'm just going to basically just lay my baby hairs. Okay, this is the end of the video. As you can see, I finished everything and I look good. And I feel like a DJ whenever I do this voiceovers. You know, like when you go to African parties and the DJ just wants to talk every 2 seconds. Like,